you do? You will be selected for Nobel Prize. In our country, Rabindranath Tagore got first Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. Second person, he is very special man. Do you know who was he? C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, this person, C.V. Raman, this great person was born in Tiruchirappalli. He was the second son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Amma. In those days there was no bifurcation. Andhra Pradesh was not there. They were the origin of Nellore. So they settled there in Tamil Nadu. So his father was a teacher, lecturer, mathematics and physics. Great foundation was there for our Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Great foundation. He was very curious. Students, I will tell you one surprising thing. This great person was very much interested in acoustics first. Acoustics, music, tabla, mridangam, tabla, you know, tabla, mridangam, sounds. He was experimenting on sounds, vibrations. Later he was inspired by one great person. Do you know by whom he was inspired? He was inspired by Compton, who did experiments on X-ray scattering. Scattering X-rays. X-rays can't be seen. He did that. He got Nobel Prize in 1913, I think so. That person, his full name was Arthur Holly Compton. He was inspired. He also wanted to do. So what did he do? He did experiments. You know what? How much cost his instrument was? Just 600 rupees in those days. With the help of that, he did experiments on scattering of light, reflection, refraction, diffraction. These two students, what did he do? When light passes transverse through transparent object, maybe glass or water, what happens? The movement changes, pattern, and also colors appear. Why? That was very great question. So this person got the answer. With the help of that, we have TVs, we have cinemas, various things. We have come to know the wavelength changes when it enters into water or any glass, transparent. That he did. First he was interested in acoustics, later on light rays. So this person, so invention was discovery. Discovery was Raman effect. Really wonder. In Asia, first scientist to receive Nobel Prize in Asia. India, first scientist to receive Nobel Prize. That kind of greatness he had. So how could he come to such kind of position? Thinking. Thinking plays vital role. Generally, when your parents ask you, when somebody asks you, you will say, I want to become doctor, I want to become an engineer, I want to become a police officer, like that you say. Nobody, I so far have not listened that I want to become a scientist. You think that it is not in the field. You should have scientific curiosity, scientific temper, my dear students. We, our ancestors, early men were there in wilderness. From wilderness to this position, how we have come with the help of science and technology. Don't forget that. So with the help of science and technology, we have comfortable and luxurious life. Therefore, from the childhood, since the childhood, you have to develop one thing, that is scientific curiosity. Sir, how you will ask, when rain is falling, from where this water is coming? From sky. How water has gone to sky? There is a question, water cycle answer. Next thing, when it is hot, why there is sweat on my body? There is a question. How wind is created? Air is there. How wind is created? Why the leaves fall down? There is a question. if wind blows, trees shake, branches, or when branches shake, wind blows. There is a question. Have you observed? We eat this much food. Only this much food comes out. What is happening to remaining food? Is it digested, sir? Used means, I told you already, nothing can be created, nor destroyed. Inside food, where it is going? Food is coming out of our body. Invisible, it is true. Through energy, it is coming outside of our body. Something is used inside our body, so remaining is coming out of our body. Everything is question. There is an answer. Why mosquitoes bite? Why we walk on 2 legs? Why animals are walking on 4 legs? There is a question. Everything is question. Then you will become scientist. What I want to tell you, my dear students, C.V. Raman became great person. People are not born great. People are made great. When you have power inside, you don't know how much power you have inside. When you are able to find out, discover this much power I have, unleash the power. You have to move relentlessly. No stoppage. Every single day is important. What I have done today, how much time I have utilized, these questions are important. If you think you are great, you are great. If you think you are not, you are not. What I want to particularly tell you, this is the best example, Raman effect, how his parents, who Chandrasekhar Iyer, Parvatamma, how they felt. They felt very happy. My dear students, when teachers had questions, they went to C.V. Raman and got answers from him. Such kind of person he was. Though he was born in middle class family like us, he became world stalwart. Okay, good.